I'm so happy. Ah! What's up, y'all? I'm Asia like the continent, but you can call me Asia B. I hope this is in focus. But yeah, so we are just gonna go and get cute today. I'm getting my eyebrows done and then gonna change my hair. I got a cut yesterday, so yeah. I haven't had my hair black in a very long time, so this is just weird, but this is just a phase right now. This is, you know, we get into the cuteness. So I just want to take y'all along with me. Yeah, we're probably gonna run a few errands, and yeah.
Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah.
I'm trying to decide if I want to invest in like a actual like vlogging camera. But the thing is, I don't be doing much, so it's like. I don't know.
You don't think you do much?
I mean, like outside, you know, like I do. Okay, well, maybe I do, but
I feel like you make a lot of content.
I feel like I do too. You know what?
Girl,
maybe
you make a lot. I think you make a lot of content.
No, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we...
Oh yes, I'm never switching over. Like, we did that thing.
right, like okay.
Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you floating close.
All right, so brows are done. Listen, she did that, absolutely. About to go back home, and then yeah, we'll go get my hair done in a minute.
First of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I was doing things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times 2. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Say my name, say my name.
So if you can see me, so what I got from Marshall. This is just a measuring cup. We already have one, but I like to have 2 of things. Just, you know, when you're baking, you don't want to deal with like if something's wet, then you got to wash it out or whatever, you know, wait for it to dry. No, that irritates me. So yeah, bought another one of those. Let's not break it. I got this. Listen, you know how they have stuff at checkout? When they have stuff at the little checkout area, I'll be looking. This is so cute. Just something else to store my makeup in that I have a lot of makeup, so thought that was cute. Might return it, we'll see. Originally I went in there because I wanted like a salt cellar, you know, with the spoon, but I want to put salt and pepper in there because it's just easier for me, in my opinion. And then I got this cup. I am a cup person. I'm a mug person. It's cold, it's chilly outside, so it's about that time to be drinking teas every day, hot chocolate, whatever, something warm up in here, okay? And this is so cute. I have just something about Disney cups. I'll show you the whole collection one day. Yeah, but I love cups. Oh, okay. And then from Trader Joe's, also from Marshall's, we got some hand soaps. Usually I like to buy, there's a Black-owned business that sells hand soap. Hey, Jazzy. That I buy from. I need to re-up on those. But if not, I don't have that. I haven't done it yet. I haven't bought it yet. So these I have to do. And also, I probably will buy some from Bath and Body Works. Listen, I love their soaps. I'm sorry. I love their hand soaps. But yeah, so I just bought these. Listen, they $5. They used to be $2.99. What's really going on? But anyways, yeah, so I just got some hand soap just to keep that together. One for the kitchen. We were empty, and then I have one in the bathroom already. But yeah, so these will be just for whenever. And so from Trader Joe's, also to go run the mail. I forgot to film that. But anyways, I got me my drinks. So I got my sparkling black tea with peach juice. And I also got strawberry juice. Listen, this one and the watermelon one, bomb. That pineapple one, it's okay. And then I got me a kombucha. And I already put it in the freezer. My barbecue chicken teriyaki. And my smoked salmon, okay? I don't play about her. I don't play about my smoked salmon. I should have got some cheese too. But yeah, usually we buy a lot more from Trader Joe's, but we already did like our big Trader Joe's shopping. So yeah. Listen, and y'all know how people be like, Trader Joe's is for snacks and snacks only. The way that the meat is cheaper, the eggs are cheaper at Trader Joe's. Okay, and that's all I can really say. That's crazy to me. If you want to buy shrimp or something, buy that at your regular grocery store. But if you're looking for some ground beef, a chicken leg, a chicken breast, and an egg, go to Trader Joe's. It's 3:30 now. I kind of want to leave here about 4:45. Only because I don't want to be on my way there, like, in the middle of traffic. So I'm trying to be ahead of the traffic just a little bit. So, yeah. We're just going to chill out for a bit, and I'll be back. I'm sorry if it's kind of dark. But I just got to the place. I am here a little bit early. I didn't leave at, like, 4 something like I wanted to. So, it was, like, 5 something. It was, you know, a little hectic. But nonetheless, I am here. Amen. And so, yeah, we about to get cute. I'm excited. Yeah.
I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I want to do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they want to see if it's true. They know you're the one I want to give it to. If you like it, tell me if you like it. Now, I've been waiting, think I'm gonna make that move. Now, baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where
I hope it's focused, but listen, it's cold. Ooh, I hate these type of masks. They hurt my ears so much. But anyways, we are done. I'm gonna show y'all in better lighting so it can really do it justice. But I'm so happy. Ah! Okay. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. About to go home. I feel so good. I really do. Like, I just feel revitalized. I feel just like my life is on the right track again. Like, I can just really show out and do what I need to do out here in these streets. I love that for me. All right, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is what day? I think this is day 2 of the hair. I did my little sponge brush, and yeah, I absolutely love this color. I'm gonna show you the reference picture, and she like hit that on the nail, so I am in love. And my eyebrows looking beautiful. Shout out to Black women. Black women, I was gonna hold you down. I'm sorry. No, I'm not. But anyways, yeah, so that is my day. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you give this a follow. Make sure you give me a follow. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.